Alright, today's Wednesday, September 3rd, and I'm not in the field today either. Not a lot of field work this week. But I want to talk to you guys about insurance inspections versus those $20 drive-bys. Now, insurance inspections, they're a whole different ballpark than those $20 drive-bys that you see a lot of people doing, right? And that's simply because when you're doing insurance inspections, they want details, okay? They want to know about the roof, about the siding, windows, any hazards going on at the property, and the overall condition, right? So it takes a lot more detail with insurance inspections than it actually does with just a $20 drive-by, right? Because when you're driving by, on a $20 drive-by, all you basically doing is you're basically verifying that that property is occupied, right? And you're looking for damages, but only visual damages, things that you can immediately see, right? But with insurance inspections, you have to pay attention to everything, right? So you got to know what you're looking for, and you got to know what you're looking at, right? Because every note matters. Because with insurance inspections, these reports, they affect real policies and liability. So, and $20 drive-bys is something totally different. Yes, you still have liability in that because you never want to call something occupied when it's actually vacant, or vice versa, vacant when it's actually occupied. That is also a liability, right? So you have to be accurate no matter what type of jobs that you are doing. Insurance inspections, they just take more detail, right? Because this is where quality matters even more, right? Because when you have sloppy work, it doesn't just slow your pay down, it affects your coverage, the risk ratings, right? And liability for that property, right? This is why the insurance inspection lane is different. And that's the reason why it pays differently too. So, guys, if you've already got some experience and you're ready for bigger checks, right? This is the time to level up, right? And the Ascension course that I'm building, it's going to take you straight into insurance and commercial and quality control work. All right, because that's where the money is, to be honest with you. And if you're brand new to this, I don't want you to stress about it because I got you too, right? I want you to just go ahead and start with the free QuickStart training that I have. And then if you want additional training, I would recommend you go take the entry-level residential course. That way, it'll give you the foundation that you need so that you can just go ahead and step into the lane, step into a higher level with confidence. Because that is my whole goal. When you guys go out there, I want you to go out there with confidence, right? I don't want you going out there wondering, what the hell am I doing? What am I supposed to do? I'm laying it out plain and simple, right, for you guys. So you guys can just follow the path. All right. So anyway, that's the difference between $20 inspections and $20 drive-by inspections and insurance inspections. That's one of the biggest difference, right? But we're going to be diving more into this kind of stuff. So you guys stay tuned. It's our time to be free. Let's get it.